There is a reason why this dish never leaves our menu, and that's a reason we almost never talk about.
Hello guys, this is Chef Erhan Kostepen. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook an octopus. Before I forget and before I start, please don't forget to follow us and subscribe. Let's go. First, gently. Second, massaged. It's old school. So you don't boil the octopus, you just steam it. So, couple of hours. Ready. Some ice. Some water. Go plunge.
At the age of 12, Chef Erhan spent hours beating octopus for fishermen. He wasn't paid in cash, he was paid in Coca-Cola.
This is the correct size. Beautiful, look at this. What we gonna do? We're taking the plates. What is this in? Get some olive oil and into the grill.
The secret isn't just technique, it's obsession, memory, and respect for the ingredient.
So it is very, very important, extremely important, how you deal with the octopus before you cook it. So it is very important, marinate it correctly, but even before you marinate it, you have to massage, a little bit beating it, but show a lot of love. And then marinate it. The most important part is steam it. You don't boil the octopus. You have to steam it. Correct time, correct temperature. This you guys have to figure out. And then a good olive oil and a good fire. That's the main thing. So there is nothing like a medium rare, well done. There is nothing like that. Octopus has only one single temperature, and that has to be very juicy and tender. That's how it is. That's actually where the profession comes from. You cook a little more, it's gonna be chewy. You're gonna cook a little less, it's gonna be soggy. So that's why to cook octopus is not easy, and I do the best octopus in the world. So if you're ready, I'm ready. The only thing you need, a very good olive oil. That's it. Nothing else. Let me repeat myself. I'm challenging. This is the best octopus in the world.